The city of Karlsruhe warmly welcomed the delegates of the World Council of Churches 11th Assembly with assembly flags all over the city. The assembly venue is getting ready for the event in the coming days. The plethora of people from all over the world will be gracing the assembly venue, getting ready for their arrival. A special concert in the city center for the assembly participants will also take place in Karlsruhe.
Concert is the rounding program of the WCC, starting Judy Bailey, and we play every day at about 17 o'clock till 20:30, every day till the 7th of September.
In the coming days, this assembly worship tent will be a meeting place for the diverse and dynamic group to pray and worship together. This is Anam Gill reporting from the WCC Daily Show, and we will keep you up to date as the assembly unfolds.